بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, my all dear students, hope you all are fine. Well, my dear students, you know very well, today we are going to learn something about science. You know very well, nowadays we are learning about living and non-living things. This is our unit number 1. Okay? Well, we have learned about the difference between living and non-living things. Of course, living things need air, food and water. And we have learned about that how living things move, grow and respond and reproduce. Okay, we have learned all about that. Today we are going to learn human beings are living things. Okay, well, all living things are made up of cells. All living things are made up of cells. And what are cells? Cells are basic unit of life. If I talk about the next thing, tissues. Tissues, group of cells work together to form tissues. Okay, it means tissues are the group of cells. If I talk about the next thing, organ. Organ is a group of tissues work together to form organ. Okay, it means what is tissue? Group of cells. What is organ? Group of tissues. Okay, that was all about human beings, but it's not enough. I want everybody to open your textbook, page number 12. Okay, open your textbook, page number 12, and I am going to show you some of our organs. Look at here. Your body has different organs like the brain, heart, lung, stomach, liver and kidney. Well, you can see here, if I talk about brain, this is the main organ of our body. The brain controls your whole body by sending messages. Okay, this is our brain. If I talk about heart, the heart pumps blood which is carried to different parts of the body by blood vessels. Okay. The next is liver. Well, the liver purifies blood and stores a sugar called glycogen. Well, my dear student, the total number of bones in an adult is 206. Well, if I talk about lungs, it is also a main organ of our body. The lungs help your breath by taking oxygen from the air and giving out carbon dioxide. Okay, these are our lungs. Stomach. The stomach helps you digest food. Okay, well, we have learned about our organ. If I talk about plant as a living thing, so my dear student, plants are made up of different parts. They have leaves, stem, roots, and many of them have also flowers and fruits. You can see on page number 13, there is a plant. These are the leaves, the part of a plant. Okay, stem, and these are roots. Well, and some of them have flower and have fruits. That was all about plants are living things and human beings are living things. And if I talk about your words, so my dear student, we have learned words meaning and question answers in our copy. Now we are going to do some book work. Well, you know very well, now we have two science books. One is our textbook and another is our activity book. So today we are going to first do page number 16 in our textbook. Open your page number 16. On page number 16, we have two activities. The first one is fill in the blanks and the other one is they have been given part of our body organ, and we have to write down their functions. Okay, that is available already on the portal, but we are going to do that ourselves with pencil. I want everybody to hold your pencil, and my dear student, it is very necessary that you have to mention the date on your book page. Okay, so let's start to do that. Look at here, this is your page number 16. Okay, and question number 2, fill in the blanks. All living things is also called an organism. Okay, the smallest building unit in the body is the cell. Well, number C, tissues join to form an organ, as I have told you about that. Okay, the group of tissues is called organ. A diver needs a tank to breathe oxygen or in air. A tadpole grows into a frog. A caterpillar changes into a butterfly. The flowers and leaves of sunflower plant always face the sun. H, the bryophyllum plant produces young plants on its leaf. That was your page number 16, question number 2. Well, if I talk about the next activity, my dear student, there are some main body organ, okay, and we have to write down their functions, and you have to do this all work with pencil, and it is very necessary to mention the date. Okay. Well, the first one is brain. What is the function of that? Brain controls the whole body by sending messages. Okay. Brain controls the whole body by sending messages. Heart pumps blood to different parts of body. Liver purifies blood and stores glycogen. Kidneys filter waste material out of the blood and pass them out of body. Stomach helps in food digestion, and lungs help in breathing. Okay, you have to do this all work just like me, as I have told you about that. Well, we have done textbook work, page number 16, question number 2 and 3. Now we have another book, activity book, and we have to do page number 2, 3, 8 and 9. Okay. Well, let's start to do page number 2, and you also have to maintain the date on the same pages. Okay. Well, this is your page number 2, your activity book. Look at here, everybody. This is your activity book, science. Okay. Page number 2. Well, this is your activity 1. Is it a living or non-living thing? Write L next to living thing, write N next to non-living thing. Okay. So, my dear student, they are asking about that which one is living or non-living thing. We have to write L for living and N for non-living with pencil, and you have to maintain the date. Well, of course, this is an animal. This is an animal, and it is living. So we have to write L. This is a bag. We will write N. This is non-living. Balloon, non-living. Frog, living. This is a type of plant. Of course, plants are living thing. Parrot, living thing. This is a fire, non-living, and clouds, non-living. I think this is C. It is non-living. Okay, you have to just maintain L and N in the given boxes. If I talk about the next one page, page number 3. So they have been given, use the table below to compare a rock with a turtle. They have been given a non-living and living thing and have some questions. Rock and turtle. Does it move? No. Turtle? Yes. Does it grow? No. Turtle? Yes. Does it respond to changes? No. But if I talk about turtle, yes. Does rock grow or reproduce? No. But turtle, yes. At last, Does rock, is it a living thing? Rock is a, no, that is not living, this is non-living thing, okay. But if I talk about the turtle, it is living thing, so that's why we will mention here yes. The next one activity is form a group with your classmate in the table below. Write the names of 5 living things and 5 non-living things that your group can find in the school compound. Okay, you can write here your own words. Well, we have page number 8 and 9 also. That is your activity number 5, and you have to mention date and day here. How is the body organized? As today we have the same topic and we are going to do that. Cells, organ and tissues. Okay. Well, number 1, write a line to describe each. Each living thing is made up of cells. A group of cells together to form tissues. Okay. And an organ is made up of a group of tissues. You have to write about them. Well, body organs. Identify these organs in the human body and label them. Brain, lungs, liver, heart, stomach. Okay. Well, my dear student, that was all about our work. We have done today textbook and activity book work. We have to do 4 pages in our activity book, page number 2, 3, 8 and 9. Okay. In textbook we have to do page number 16, question number 2, fill in the blanks, and question number 3 we have to write functions of our body organ. Okay. Hope you have got about and you have enjoyed the class. Allah Hafiz, take care.